Here we have a 2015 65 plate BMW 430D M Sport. Now we have 4 superb 20-inch alloy wheels in black. We also have LED headlights as well as black kidney grills. We also have full M Sport starting kit, which includes black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear spoiler and rear diffuser. And there's another look, an alloy wheel. Now this model does come with the sunroof that opens fully. We also have black window trim, privacy glass on the rear as well as shark fin antenna. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors, dual exhaust flush with the rear bumper and rear diffuser. And we have the 430D badging just there. There's a look at that spoiler extension just there. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks or scratches and does look absolutely superb from every angle. Now if heading inside the car, we do have the electric power folding mirrors, electric windows, the coat of leather trim, blue and BMW individual trim just there as well. Jumping inside the car, we have auto lights just down here. We also have multifunction steering wheel, cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side, as well as paddle shift on the rear if you want to take the car into manual mode. Foot on the brake, we do have keyless start. And as you can see, it's free from any warning lights on the dash apart from the fuel lights. There's a quick look at the full Dakota leather front seat and then the rear seats just there with ISOFIX points. We also have storage tray in the centre as well as a pull down leather armrest. We do have sat nav as well as Bluetooth media connectivity just there. We also have radio, which is DAB, phone connectivity, and again sat nav. Put the car into reverse with front and rear parking sensors. Coming off that, we have different drive modes. We have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and also Sport Plus. Coming down here, we do have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, as well as 2 heated front seats. So for those cold winter mornings, it does make all the difference. Down here is your driver mode select, as well as traction control on and off with your parking sensors. This is what you use to control everything that's on the screen. And then open this up, we have the key, as well as 2 nice size cup holders, and also 12-volt connectivity. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 430D. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Starting off, we have got both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press cruise, push up on each trigger just here, and I'm now cruising at my current speed. Very easy to adjust speed in increments of 1 or 2 to the nearest 5. And then to deactivate this, I'll simply press cruise control again, and we're back to normal control. We can also apply pressure to the brake to get back to normal control as well. We've then got our gear changes. So I'm currently in 8th gear, 7th gear, down to 6th, down to 5th, down to 4th, to 5th, 6th, 7th, let's get up to speed, back to 8th, and then we'll make our way down those gears again. And as you can tell, through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we are slow, we're just going to take the left at this roundabout here. It's definitely worth mentioning the comfort of this vehicle. We've got these incredibly comfortable full leather seats, heated as well for both front passengers, fantastic panoramic sunroof above us. We've also got plenty of modern features like satellite navigation and DAB radio on the infotainment screen just there as well. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, still is doing to this day, we feel that we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews. you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to follow us on those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in. Now I am about to take a right turn into the industrial park while perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate reverse works as it should. So 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse. We've got a visual display of front and rear sensors just there, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we're just about to go over a speed bump as well, so you can listen out for any noises. There we go, and as you can tell throughout this the whole journey there's been no knocks or bangs of any kind, which obviously you would be listening out for if you were here with us today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come into the office, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you'd wish to come review the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange, and if there is anything we have missed in our the online photos, video walk around or this test drive, again feel free to get in touch and we'll be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on this video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.